services, handyman services. Hey, good afternoon. We're in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Fly Eagles fly. The Eagles are playing tomorrow for the championship. They're pretty much at the door game, the game prior to deciding who's going to be in the Super Bowl. Hopefully we can go in and beat the Washington Commanders. But this is not what I'm here for. Sorry for the mask and everything, but it's real cold outside. I just come in from outside in the cold, and I took my jacket off. There's no heat in this house, so I'm working with my mask on, and I have boots and everything else, so I can be able to get this work done in here and not end up at the doctor's later on. I'm giving a customer a quote for the entire home. I've already done some plumbing, installed the toilet, and also refinished the bathtub. This bathtubs, oftentimes, you don't have to go out and buy a brand new bathtub, which will cost you probably a price range of $350 to $400 and up. All you have to do is take and get your tub refinished. Refinishing the tub to make it look like new. It's called tub restoration. You can take a tub and if it's not all that bad, or depending on, regardless of how bad it is, we can take and treat it, sand it down, sand everything down, and then glaze it over with tub and towel paint. This is not regular spray paint. This is not house paint. This is tub and towel paint that's designed to make a tub look good and to last for years and years to come. Also, we get quotes for carpeting, hardwood floors, any type of interior, exterior repairs, outdoor or indoor repairs. We also, when the weather changes, we have a power washing services that once the customer hires us to pressure wash their property, we always throw something else in there to show as a token of appreciation to show the customer that we're looking forward to continue on business with them for years to come. So, for example, if he hired me to fix a hole on the outside of the house, and I see her path is kind of grimy, I can very well or will go ahead and hook my pressure washer up and clean the outside of her property. Customers like these things. Curb appeal is everything. When you walk in or pulling up to someone's home or approaching their house, curb appeal is every single thing. It does look good when your property or your path or your bushes are cut. I don't do landscaping, but all we do is interior, exterior renovation, home remodeling and renovations, and also minor handyman work. We also do pavements and driveways. We will refinish the driveway and cover it with a latex height to make it look just as new. So this is me just giving the customer a quote. I have already walked through this entire home, upstairs and downstairs, and given a eyeball estimate other than giving her a quote over the phone. This video is solely about customer quotes and why it's important to show up at the property and view the work. And for your answer is so you can give the customer an accurate quote. Oftentimes you come and give someone a quote over the phone, and you whatever number you threw at her or him, he or she, the number probably isn't accurate. Coming out and visiting the property will allow you to see what needs to be done and allow you to give an accurate number. That is very, very important when giving the customer a quote. That way, she may hire you for the job, or she may think of getting someone else, but more than likely she should go with you because you took the time out and come out to the property and seen for yourself to see what it is that needs to be done, and your number was fair. Fair numbers are benefiting to you and the customer. So thank you guys for listening. If you like what you heard, like and subscribe to this channel. You subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. Hit that notification bell. If there's one, if it's not one, like and subscribe so you can see more videos just like this. And I hope seeing and hearing from you, or you viewing my site and more or the videos. Also, if you want anything else, or you want to know about anything else, go into the comment field and let me know if something that you would like to know about doing home renovations, or anything you would like to price, or something you would like to know on something. Comment in the comment field and I'll be more than glad to get back to you. Hey, have a nice day.